Hey, my creative butterflies, I'm back at you today. We are doing an unboxing for car organization. I have been needing a car for quite some time, and y'all, I just could not figure out what I wanted. But my husband taught me into going car shopping, and I did get something. Y'all, I'm so glad that God gives me peace, and I'm a person that can wait till my season. So it was my season, time to get a car. So here we go. Let's unpack these items that I'm going to use to get my car organized. So these items came from Temu, guys, and I am so pleased and happy that I ordered all of this stuff. I thought I was going overboard because y'all know me. When I go over the top, I go over the top. The items that I order all have the same little design on them. It's black and white. It's a little flower. Kind of reminds me of Chanel because I'm a Chanel girl. So it fit the aesthetics of everything just perfect. I even ordered some socks, y'all. Yeah, I'm over the top. That's me. Mind your business. Anyway, let's get into these items. So the first thing that I ordered, y'all, was a sun visor clip. Now this actually is a magnetic sun visor clip, and I like that because I don't have to touch it. I don't get makeup on my sun visor. Car won't get dirty. It flips down. Works perfect. I also ordered a couple of seatbelt covers, guys, because I wanted something to give my seatbelt a little bit of cushion, but I wanted to be stylish and I didn't want my fingerprints on my seatbelt. So this gives me something to grab on, pull my seatbelt around, and it works perfect. As I said, everything came with a little flower design. I would have liked for them to actually put that on the seatbelt cover, but I had to apply it myself. But anyway, you'll see how it works in part 2. So if you're liking this content, follow me so you can see part 2. Now this mirror, honey, like to blind me and you both, but it is a mirror that you can touch. It's sensor and it does change to 3 different tones. The light gets warm and then it gets bright, and you will see that in part 2 as well. So let's keep going, guys, because we're not gonna be here long. Anyway, y'all, the next thing that I ordered was these little things. I've never seen these before, but they go down into your cup holder. They're inserts. Love them because it stops moisture from getting down in your cup holder. I hate when things stick in my cup holder. So these actually should work out perfect. We'll see how they do. But you see that little flower print on them, guys? Now this right here, guys, is that's a pill holder, or you can use it for mints. I'm going to put Motrin and Tylenol in it because they'll be right at my fingertips. If I get a headache, not feeling well, I can just grab them and go. Now you see me pondering because I couldn't figure out what I ordered here, but this, y'all, is a umbrella holder, and if you saw it, the umbrella has the same print as the holder. Oh girl, too cute. Gonna love it. I hate getting out in the morning if it's raining and I'm fumbling looking for an umbrella, so that way I can hang it. It'll be right at my fingertips and I'm organized. I love organization. Y'all know I live for organization. Now stay with me, guys, because there's one thing at the end that I want y'all to see. Anyway, let's get into these right here. Now these guys are purse hooks and I absolutely like those. I ordered this set so that I can hang my purse on the back and be able to reach it, no problem. Y'all, this is what I was talking about. Stick around to the end. Y'all see me putting that Velcro together? That baby, that Velcro held like glue. Do you hear me? This is a backseat car organizer. I'm sorry, not backseat, trunk organizer, guys. I wanted 2 sizes. One that I could put my cleaning supplies in to keep my car clean. One that I could put groceries in and things for my son because I am a sports mom. And these are going to work out perfect. They came in 2 sizes, small, large. Well, they actually come in 3, so if you want them you can get them in 3, but small, medium, and a extra large. I think the large was out of stock, but love these. They have other designs as well. Can't beat them. The last thing that I had to get, y'all, because my son throws trash everywhere and we're not having that, not in this new car, baby, so I had to grab me a little trash can, and I actually grabbed 2 trash cans so I could put one on the left, one on the right. And I'm gonna open that, guys, so y'all can see that. Look at it, baby. So cute. Has the design on it. Can't go wrong. Bam. All we gotta do is put the trash in. I can dump them every now and then, and we are ready to go. Love you. Bye. See you in part 2.